Hi, I'm going to making the Korea fried chicken today. I have about 8 ounces of chicken. And for the seasoning, the chicken, I put a pinch of white pepper and the red pepper, little bit white pepper in it, and a little bit hot red pepper. So I sprinkle some little bit in it. Not too much, just a pinch. And 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. And I mix. And also I use 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of flour, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And I put 1 egg in it. Then you mix. So if you feel that a little bit too dry, that's okay. You put a few drops of water in it. Then I'm going to put all the stuff into the chicken. Then I mix. Okay, and I'm going to deep fry it. And I put on 350 degrees. And we deep fry it until they turn in golden brown. Okay. Okay, I let it deep fry for a few minutes. About 4 or 5 minutes now. So they already turned it brown. So I'm going to remove it a little bit. I'm going to put it on the side first. I'm going to put it on the side. Then I want extra crispy, so I turn on the heat for 400. I'm going to turn on 400 right now. Put back in again, so they will get more crispy. You see all the bubble coming up, that means the moisture inside the chicken started coming out. So we make the chicken more crispy. It looks good right now. So I'm gonna I set it on the side first. For the sauce, I use 1 tablespoon of Korean hot sauce. You can get it at regular grocery store, they have it. And I use, this is 1 tablespoon hot sauce, and 1 tablespoon of ketchup, and 1 tablespoon of honey. So I mix. I put all the ketchup and the Korean hot sauce and the honey in it. And you mix well. And I put it in a small plate. That's what I have today, the Korean fried chicken.